Come on. I have loved reading the book Crenshaw with all of you. As a big reading community, we have learned so much about Jackson, Robin, Aretha, and of course, Crenshaw. Day by day, we are reading the same chapters, answering the same comprehension questions, and doing the same activities. I'm so glad we were able to experience this book all together. I also loved hearing all of the stories about the books being read at home. Whether it was with your parents, grandma, grandpa, your brothers and sisters, or even your friends. We were able to make so many connections to our characters and relate to the problems and challenges that were going on in their lives.
One of the problems that Jackson and Robin were experiencing was the fact that they couldn't always afford groceries, so they felt hungry very often. And in the book they play a game called Cereal Ball, and we tried that in our PE classes, and I think we can all agree it's not an easy game. They were playing the game to distract themselves from feeling hungry and to slow down their eating so they didn't eat too fast, so they weren't hungry later on. So, here we are with an amazing 358 boxes. We collected 358 cereal boxes so that the Jackson and Robins that may be living within our own community, friends, neighbors, cousins, relatives that maybe don't have enough food on their own, these cereal boxes will go to our Hamilton food cupboard, and anyone that would like to go get a box of cereal can go get one. We are able to make a difference in our own community. Congratulations on collecting so many cereal boxes.
Miss Bowser was inspired by our act of kindness and decided to take even more action in our community. Miss Bowser knew that we can't have cereal without milk. So she reached out to her friend, Emma Andrews, who works at the American Dairy Association, to have Stuart donate 300 milk vouchers. And to have Emma Andrews and Stuart to make this incredible donation to our Hamilton Food Club. So thank you again, Ms. Bowser. This was a domino effect that we had on our own community. We decided to donate cereal boxes, and the next domino was that milk vouchers were donated as well. So good job, boys. You guys are really proud of you.
So we have a little surprise planned. We haven't really told a lot of people, and this is a surprise for Miss Thomas as well. In our music classes, with Miss Stoddard's brilliant idea, we kind of work together. And we have been preparing the song, We Are the World, from pre-K to 5 in our music class. So when this song was made back in the 1980s, the proceeds went to help people in need, to make a change. So today, you are showing that no matter how old you are, you can make a difference in your community. You can make a positive change. So here's what's going to happen. I want all of you to stand up nice and tall for me, please. Okay, and I'm going to ask my elementary select choir to help lead you in this song. Okay? So nice